All right, let's get right into it. What exactly are Git and GitHub? Okay, picture this. You and a friend do a project. You write 4,000 lines of code. They write 1,000. But when you present, your friend takes credit for the big part. So, how do you prove what you did? Believe it or not, this exact kind of chaos is why a tool called Git was even created. The solution is a version control system, and Git is the most popular one out there, period. It's kind of like a time machine for your code, creating these little checkpoints you can always jump back to. So how's it work? Well, just imagine your code moves through 4 different zones. First, the working directory. That's just on your computer, where you're actually writing the code. Then there's the staging area. Think of it like getting everyone ready for a group photo before you click. Third is the local repository, where Git saves those snapshots, we call them commits, right on your machine. And finally, the remote repository. That's a shared server where your whole team can sync up. The basic workflow is simple. You add, commit, and push your code through these zones. Easy. This brings up a super common question: Git versus GitHub. It's like Microsoft Word versus Google Docs. Okay, that's how you work alone. But with a team, that's where something called branching comes in. A branch is basically a safe copy of your project, so you can experiment without messing up the original. This means everyone can work on different features at the same time. It's a game changer for collaboration. And to get all the latest updates from your teammates, you just use the git pull command. This whole process is called the GitHub flow. You branch, commit, push, and then open a pull request. And that's it. You've just learned the fundamental workflow that millions of developers use every single day. So now that you can track every single change, the only question is,